How to reset Facebook password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can reset your Facebook password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to reset your Facebook password, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and launch the Facebook application here. Let's say that you just happen to forget your password and then you want to gain access to it. It's very simple. If you had remembered it, you can just tap the login option and remember it. But if you don't remember it, right over here you'll find this option called forgotten password. Tap on it. Now what you want to do is simply make sure to enter either the phone number or maybe the email address that was maybe associated with your Facebook account. So let me also just go ahead and then enter my mobile number here and then just tap the find account option. As you do that, right over here you can see we can log you in automatically because one of your accounts has logged in on this device, but we don't want to do that. We want to reset the password, so tap and try another way here. Now you have two options. One is that you can get a code or link via your email, so make sure you have access to the email. Just tap on the code or link via email, tap on continue. It is basically going to send a code to your email address, so we're going to wait until we receive the verification code. So just go ahead and then open up your mailbox until then, and once you open up your mailbox you should most likely see the email from Facebook. If you don't see it, just try to refresh it a couple of times until you get to that tab over here. So let me also go ahead and then do that. So as you can see, I've received the code from Facebook, so I'm going to copy the code here, and once I copy the code I'm just going to come back here and then just going to paste the code like this, and then just tap the continue button. Once I tap on the continue option, you can see it will take me to the new page where I can simply choose a new password that I created without having to remember my old password. This way I can reset my Facebook password and you can as well. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.